Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a compound interest problem. Last time we did continuous compound interest. This is just a regular compound interest problem. A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. So we went over a couple of definitions of the variables, and A means accumulated value. That's how much we're going to gain altogether. P is the principal, how much we put in. R is the rate, should be a percent. And we looked at time, but we didn't look at N, which is compounded. So we'll have something compounded annually, twice a year, monthly, quarterly. And those are the things, or we could have something compounded daily. So now we're going to look at a problem where we have to use this formula of compound interest. And it reads as follows. Leroy invests $4,500 in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 5%, compounded 2 times a year. What will the account balance be after 7 years? All right, so we have a few things. Now, if we look at it side by side, they want to know what will the account balance be after 7 years. So they want to know what will A be. They give us P, which is the principal. That's how much Mr. Leroy put in, which is $4,500. R would be the rate, and the rate here is at 5%. So remember, we have to change 5% to a decimal, and 5% of $1 would be 5 cents. N represents how many times has it been compounded. It's been compounded twice a year, and it's been compounded for 7 years. All right, so we're going to take those and we're going to plug them in. Now, remember, we're looking for A. We have P as 4,500. Remember, change your rate to a decimal. N is 2 and T is 7. So we plug in our variables and our problem reads $4,500 times 1 plus 0.05 over 2 raised to the 2 times 7. Now, when we compute this, make sure you remember the order of operations. So go inside the parentheses first, and then we do exponents, and multiplication will be last. And after 7 years at a 5% interest rate, compounded twice a year, Leroy will have $6,358.38 in his savings account. So I hope you guys picked up something with this particular compound interest problem. I'm going to also post you a problem to do on the page that is similar, and let me know how much you gain or accumulate over a certain period of time. Thank you. Have a good one.